Simvoly website builder complete tutorial for beginners. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create your own website on simvoly.com. It may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. First of all, of course, you need to create an account or log into your account on simvoly.com. I already did it, I'm in my account. And next you will be redirected to this page, to dashboard, and you need to start by selecting a template. So here guys, it's completely up to you. I don't know what purposes do you have about your website, about your future website. So if you want to make an online store, so you need to choose online store, or if you're making a fashion website, membership website, personal one. So it's up to you. You'll need to choose by yourself. Just for this video, just for an example, I'm gonna choose personal, and let's pick this one, select, and I need to create a title, so basically name of website. For example, I'm making something about maybe resume, so I'm gonna type I'm gonna make let's resume, submit, and wait a little bit until everything loads. So you can check this short introduction video to quickly familiarize yourself with the builder, but I'm gonna show you by myself how to do it quickly. So the main method how to edit almost everything in this website, you just need to double click on the element you want to edit, for example this text, just double click and you're able to select it and delete it and write whatever you want, or just edit this text, like add some styles, fonts, change sizes, colors, whatever you want. For example, I'm gonna type it welcome to my CV, whatever. And also you can double click on this button to change settings, or you can just click once and you have this control panel where you can edit some stuff, like edit links, edit styling, whatever you want. You can change button text here, you can link this button, and the same basically about everything. So about this background, you have block, so basically every section is the block. So you can delete this background and add a new one, upload it from your computer here, or we can use free stock images from simvoly.com. For example, let's choose this one, doesn't really matter, just for an example. Select, okay, waiting. So here you have it now, and basically you can add new blocks here. So if you want to add a new section, for example, let's say you want to have a video section here, so you can just choose video and you have plenty of options here. For example, this one, and you can easily also edit it. Also double click, change this text, edit this video like these columns, can change columns, whatever you want. Also you can move this block down or up like this. Also you can check pages here, add new page, delete some of them, have some settings here, pop-ups also if you have. So for example, let's delete, no, let's delete this page easily like this. Next, also you can add widget, a global styling, change some colors, styling, fonts, whatever you want. For example, colors, you can add a new color, whatever you want. Confirm. Files, website settings, some settings. So also you can change the sizes basically of everything, like this. And of course, if you want to change this image, just double click on this image, upload an image from your computer, and you're able to put it here. Also, you can add an image description. You can add some new columns, for example, if you want to have more images here. And also you can delete the whole section like this. And if you're stuck, you can use a help here, just with one click. Also you have undo and redo functions, always very useful. And don't forget to save changes as frequently as possible, just to not lose your changes. And you can always check this out, website preview, when you're done, for example, with editing your website. You can check this out, you can preview the website, so just to check how it looks like with tablet view, for example, or phone view, very important. And of course you can add some stuff on your website. For example, you want to edit this header, and you can, for example, add header widget here. So basically you want to have an logo of your business or whatever, so just click add a widget icon, and you can add in your icon here. Or like you can add a card widget here like this. Yes, also image logo here, you can upload an image, for example this, and let's imagine this is the logo. This is the main of your website. You can also change some stuff here. You can connect custom domain if you have one, or you can purchase a custom domain, whatever. So basically, guys, the entire interface of the site is, as you can see, it's very clear to any user. You can add a video background, some just colors, whatever you want. You can resize this like this. So guys, I think that in this video showed you enough of the basics of using this website. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you soon.